Sanjeev sir, first of all, congratulations. This was a great day for you. You have launched so many products. So tell me something about a new chapter, new lineup. What is this?
So thank you so much for making it here. After all this traffic, whatever you had.
Yes, sir.
It has taken 3 hours, so I should take at least 3 minutes.
Please, sir.
Right. So why we are calling it a new chapter? Because every product which we unleash opens a new market as far as we are concerned. We have launched today 3 products where we saw opportunity which Acer has. Even after growing so much, we had few opportunities which we could see in terms of product. AI adoption is actually happening and happening very, very fast, where people are going in for AI adoption, people are going in for premium, people are going in for not only premium, design, thin and light, battery life, everything together. Everything is required, right? If that is what is required, then we thought we must have a device which is matching to this aspiration. That is where Swift Pro comes, right? So we have launched Swift Pro today, which gives you the performance, which gives you thin and light, which gives you mobility, which gives you everything what one consumer wants. So we are trying to connect with the consumer there. The second device which we have launched is Nitro, a new series. Nitro, this particular Nitro is actually again a beast. I mean, we have come up with the best of performance, best of cooling technology put together in one device, which can actually give you a very fast refresh rate. One of the feedback which our channel partners were having, that one performing machine should come which has a higher TGP, higher refresh rate, best of panel, everything put together. And naturally, cooling is something which you cannot compromise as far as gaming is concerned. And that should be affordable,
also
so-called competitive in the price point. So that is where Nitro comes in. The new Nitro brings everything together, right? And it gives you best of performance, best of GPU performance, CPU performance, panel, refresh rate, most important TGP, right? The TGP has been the ask from our channel partners, which we have fulfilled with this particular device. Naturally, if the ask was from channel partner, it was a consumer demand that Acer should fulfill.
Right.
We have given a machine which not only supports that kind of a 145 TGP, it actually optimizes the performance to that level. So that is the most important part. We are not talking 145 TGP support. We are talking of 145 performance, right, which is the most important. Refresh rate is higher, 165 Hz. So everything put together, that is the new Nitro for you. Actually, it is a new Avtara for Predator in a Nitro chassis,
right,
if I have to sum it up that way. Then we have actually unveiled 3 products of Predator. Predator needs no introduction. Predator has the power. Predator, yes. So where now we are bringing in AI, we are bringing in customization of performance, what you require from the Predator, depending on what game you are using. So customization is available, AI is available. It is sleek, which is the most important, that now today a device, in case some user wants a sleek device, a gaming device, high performing device, it can come in Helios 16S, right? So that is what 3 models which we have unveiled. So it's a momentous occasion for us, having these kind of devices which will connect us to more and more consumer, right? More and more channel partner. It will create an ecosystem which is a win-win for all of us. So that, not only that, we have also unveiled one product, Swift VR Set, and that is basically for education. You know that we actually give a lot of weightage to education and education system, and we have been actually associated with education, school education and college education in a very big way. So from our side, this is a new thing which is coming up. So not only we will not stop with this. I think this is only the start. We always say that you will see more and more new devices. We may enter very soon something where you have some robotics. Let's see where the technology takes us. So I mean, along with these IT products, we are also, in any case, you are aware that we have actually unveiled one luggage, which is a new thing for
Smart
Acer.
luggage, right.
Smart luggage, high-end luxe luggage. We have come into that, and one more company under Acer umbrella which will be actually marketing this. However, till then it will come under Acer brand, right? So this is a new venture which will
Yes.
see. Most important is not that only luggage. The most important is by way of consumer electronics, by way of luggage, by way of anything, we are getting more connected, more visible, and more near to the customer. I think that is the most important part for us. Thank you so much.
So thank you so much for briefing all the new things which is coming with the new chapter and new lineup. One thing I would like to know about, because I've rarely seen the partners and media together at any forum, like at the evening you have called the key partners also, and you shared that because of their suggestions you added some of the product features. I would like to know more about Acer has done pretty well this year. You ranked great in the IDC numbers and the overall numbers. So how do you see these new products will add value to overall offering what channel partners are selling today?
See, our endeavor has always been that from the same footprint of the shop, we should be offering more and more so that it is more productive for the partner. I think we have been working for last so many years only onto that, and that is where more and more products come in. Today's lineup again going to address some market segments where we were either present in a normal setup, we were having lesser offerings. This will strengthen our offering in this particular zone. These are the areas where premiumization, AI adoption, and gaming, these are the growth areas for the industry, not only for Acer, for the industry. And we are with this, we are participating more in that. More offerings are available today with these launches. So it is going to definitely give us new customers, and it will definitely strengthen our product line.
Right, sir.
So that is the most important thing. So that is what we are doing. We are participating in an area which is the growth area for the industry, and we are strengthening our offerings in that.
Right.
Which is going to pay. I mean, all these numbers where we are today, we are number 2. We are not actually focusing on being number 2 or number 3. We are basically racing with ourselves. So whatever we have done last year, we should be doing in units and in revenue more is our target, so that our partners are able to grow with us together. When you said that we have also invited media and channel partner together, I think they have been, key contributors to our growth, because one is able to actually capture the stories and technologies which we are bringing in and providing it to the customers like you. Every time we meet you and you take it partners and customers,
Right.
so you are helping that technology dissipation, and the products which we have, ultimately somebody has to talk about. So thanks for that contribution. So we thought two stakeholders who have contributed should be together.
Right.
Channel partner, of course, without them we cannot live. Without them we cannot reach the customer. So they provide us that ecosystem which reaches the customer's doorstep. So both we brought it together, only keeping it in mind the major contributors in our success should be part of the success story.
Correct, sir. Thank you. And sir, you always share a special message to all your partners across India. Small message for them.
My message has always been कि whatever we are doing, whatever, I mean, it is basically their relationship which gives us strength, right? Our message is that optimize the same shop floor. Again, whatever products are being enabled to you, please utilize those enablements and ensure that productivity for your shop, your outlet, your counter increases day by day. Best luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sanjeev, sir, wishing you again a great, new chapter, new lineup. Whatever the products you are unveiling is a great, and I'm sure that as you guys are leading in tech sector, you'll be again, the numbers will increase, everything will increase, and we'll again connect to know more about that.
Thank you for your good wishes.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.